Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to download HDFC Bank account statement online. Open your favorite browser. Go to hdfcbank.com. Now click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Select Net Banking from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Net Banking login page. Enter your customer ID or user ID. Click on Continue. Now enter your password. Click Login. You are logged into your HDFC Bank Internet Banking account. Here, in the Savings Account tab, click on your account balance. You will be landed to Account Summary page. Scroll down. In the Statement section, select your preferred statement duration. You can check monthly statements or financial year statements. If you are very specific, you can choose specific date range. After specifying the date range, you can either download the statement in PDF form or email the document to your preferred email address. I will choose the download option. A window pops up on your screen. If you wish, you can change the document format by clicking on the drop-down menu. Click Download to proceed. Click Download again to continue. That's it, account statement has been downloaded. This is how you can download HDFC Bank account statement online. Thank you for watching.